This is the Sphere. This is something that you would expect from an alien civilization, not from a human one. A new place where you can experience not just 3, but 4 dimensions of entertainment. But what lies inside is far from ordinary. Welcome to the Sphere, a new dimension of entertainment in Las Vegas.
Las Vegas is a city that never sleeps, a city that's always looking for something new and exciting, something that will elevate its reputation as a global destination for live entertainment. That's why Las Vegas was the perfect location for the Sphere, the brainchild of the Madison Square Garden Company, or MSG, a leading sports and entertainment company that owns and operates some of the most iconic venues in the world, such as Madison Square Garden in New York and the Forum in Los Angeles. MSG has always been at the forefront of creating and delivering innovative and unforgettable live experiences for its fans. In 2018, MSG announced its most ambitious and visionary project yet, the MSG Sphere, a music and entertainment arena that would be unlike any other venue in the world. The idea behind the Sphere was to create an experience that would go beyond the traditional limitations of live entertainment. MSG wanted to create a venue that would not only showcase the best performers and content creators, but also engage and captivate the audience in ways that were never possible before. To achieve this mission, MSG partnered with some of the best architects, engineers, designers, and technologists in the world. Together, they came up with a concept that was both bold and groundbreaking, a spherical structure that would house some of the most advanced and cutting-edge technology ever seen in an entertainment venue. MSG acquired a 63-acre site just a block away from the world-famous Las Vegas Strip, where it planned to build its first Sphere. Now they had found the place, but the most difficult thing was just going to begin: the construction. Now, constructing a building is tough, and creating a round building like a Sphere is even harder. So the first big challenge was to create a perfect Sphere, one that's 366 feet tall and 516 feet wide. This Sphere had to be flawless, with no corners or edges. To make it, they used strong steel weighing 3,000 tons. But to lift these heavy materials, they needed a special crane that could reach 400 feet high and lift up to 130 tons. However, this massive crane wasn't just nearby, it was brought all the way from Belgium to Las Vegas. It took more than 2 weeks to set it up with the help of another crane. It was used to lift and put in place the compression ring, which is the most important part of the Sphere structure. The ring was a circular steel beam, like a giant hoop, that held the roof in position and spread the weight evenly. This ring was really heavy, about 170 tons, as heavy as 2 Boeing 757 airplanes. Once the compression ring was in place, they carefully raised the roof pieces and positioned them on the frame. The roof had 32 trusses, each weighing 100 tons. These trusses formed a frame that held a layer of concrete that was 10 inches thick and weighed around 10,000 tons. They finished putting the roof on June 18, 2021, which was a big moment for the project. But this was just one part of creating a perfect Sphere. The Sphere also needed an exterior and an interior layer, showcasing some of the most cutting-edge technology ever witnessed in an entertainment venue. To achieve this, they installed a steel frame weighing 730 tons on the inside, which served as a support structure for the LED screens and audio system. These LED screens are not only the world's largest, but also boast the highest resolution, covering an area exceeding 160,000 square feet. With a remarkable 16K resolution, these screens are over 100 times sharper than high-definition TVs. To put this into perspective, consider a typical small LED TV is around 24 to 32 inches and has a resolution of either 1080p or 4K. This means the Megasphere screens are equivalent to about 1,000 of these small LED TVs combined. These screens wrap around the entire interior of the Sphere, creating an immersive 360-degree visual experience capable of displaying everything from lifelike landscapes to abstract art. The screens can dynamically adjust colors, brightness, and contrast based on the content and the atmosphere of the show. But to create such content, the Sphere had to overcome another challenge: how to match the quality and resolution of its screens. That's why they developed their own custom camera system that could capture footage in 18K square format at 120 frames per second. This camera system, called Big Sky, was created by Sphere Studios, a division of Sphere Entertainment that specializes in creating immersive content for the Sphere. Big Sky has a 316 megapixel 3x3-inch HDR sensor that can capture incredibly detailed large format images. It also has a modular design that allows it to be configured for different shooting scenarios and environments. Big Sky is one of the most advanced camera systems in the world, and it was made specifically for the Sphere's unique needs. Moving on to the audio system within the Sphere, it's equally revolutionary. It features more than 160,000 speakers strategically positioned throughout the venue. These speakers employ beamforming technology to direct sound precisely and to adjust it according to the content. Additionally, the speakers possess infrasound capabilities, producing low-frequency sounds that can be felt rather than heard. On the exterior, there's an exosphere composed of LED light panels that cover the Sphere's outer surface. This layer can showcase various colors, patterns, images, and videos, and it's visible from several miles away, making the Megasphere a prominent landmark in the Las Vegas skyline. These exterior LED panels are also quite impressive, totaling over 1.2 million lights, each the size of a hockey puck. With a 4K resolution, these panels can display anything from flags to planets, resulting in a dynamic and captivating appearance for the Sphere. Moreover, they can adjust colors, brightness, and contrast to suit different events and times of the day, and they can orchestrate stunning light shows that captivate viewers. One such mesmerizing light show took place on July 4, 2023. Tourists and residents of Las Vegas were treated to a spectacular display of light and color as 1.2 million individual LEDs illuminated the Sphere for the first time. But creating an immersive experience isn't just about visuals and sounds. The Sphere also has more features that make it even more realistic and engaging, and that is the fourth dimension of entertainment. The Sphere is designed to offer not just a three-dimensional experience, but a four-dimensional one. This means that it incorporates special technology that adds elements of touch and smell to the visual and auditory sensations. Some of the seats within the Sphere have haptic technology installed. This technology allows the audience to physically feel what's happening on the screen. They'll experience the shakes, the movements, and sensations of whatever they're watching. For example, during a car chase scene, viewers would feel the bumps and turns of the road. The Sphere also features 4D effects that enhance the realism of the shows. These include wind, fog, temperature changes, and even scents. They're synchronized with the content on the screen, creating a more immersive atmosphere. For instance, if they're watching a scene in a forest, they would feel a gentle breeze and smell fresh pine. The Sphere will provide its audience an experience they cannot find anywhere else. It'll be an encounter that makes them feel like they're part of something bigger than themselves. The construction of the Megasphere was a colossal endeavor that demanded extensive engineering and innovation. It spanned over 5 years, involving more than 3,500 workers, including 1,500 engineers and 300 subcontractors. The project's cost surpassed $2.3 billion, making it the most expensive entertainment venue in Las Vegas. Yet, the results are truly worth the effect. Beyond being a mere building, it embodied a realized dream, a vision that aimed to redefine the future of live entertainment experiences. The Sphere is set to open on September 29, 2023, with U2 performing a 25-show residency called U2 UV Achtung Baby Live at Sphere. The Sphere will also host award shows such as the Grammys and the Oscars, product launches by companies such as Apple and Tesla, and esports tournaments by leagues such as Overwatch and League of Legends. The Sphere will offer its guests an unparalleled experience that'll make them feel like they're part of something amazing. This is the Sphere, the ultimate destination for live entertainment. I hope you enjoyed this video about the Sphere, the world's largest and most advanced music and entertainment arena in Las Vegas. If you have any questions or comments about the Sphere, please leave them below. We would love to hear from you and answer your queries. Thank you for watching, and see you in the next video. Goodbye.